Good, I think it's afternoon, I'm not actually sure. Good afternoon, witches. Well, it's afternoon in my mind anyway. How are you today? So I just wanted to kind of share something with you that I've stumbled upon, okay, today. Now we use sandalwood in some of our blends, some of our incenses, and some of our essential oil blends as well. Now this little tiny, if you look, yeah, this is a tiny little measuring thing, yeah. That's how tiny the sandalwood bottle is, yeah. And I've been paying, that's Mysore sandalwood, not Australian sandalwood. I've been paying £20 odd for that, yeah, and it just keeps going up in price. So I'm like, okay, so there's got to be a workaround. There's always a workaround, as you probably know. That's one of my favourite sayings. So I came across something today. I came across something in my, because I'm making incense and stuff again today. So what I kind of came across was a blend. I just started experimenting because yesterday I thought, well, maybe I can replace the sandalwood with Palo Santo, but it's a bit too strong, yeah. So what I've done is I've blended Himalayan cedarwood with Palo Santo. Now I wish you could smell this, because this is amazing, and it is so close to sandalwood. It's amazing. Now I think the ratio that I've got, I didn't measure anything. Please excuse me. I didn't measure anything, but it's about a ratio of 1 to 3. So that's 1 being Palo Santo, because it's very strong, and 3 being the Himalayan cedarwood. So definitely try it, yeah. You know, tweak it if it's a little, because it is still a little bit strong on the nose, but just add more Himalayan cedarwood, yeah. I really like it. Ian likes it, and we both got very fuzzy noses. So yeah, give it a go, because it's a lot cheaper than sandalwood as well. The Palo Santo, that's a 5ml bottle, and I think it comes from France. I think that's where it comes from. It takes about a week to get here. I think that's on Amazon, I think. Let me just show you. Who's the... Whoops, you can't see because it's gone really dark again outside. It's bloody weather's shit. I can't remember who the... But just type in Palo Santo essential oil into Amazon. I haven't found it anywhere else. Not that's good anyway. That's a really good quality essential oil, that one. So yeah, give it a go. See what you think. And you can always comment below. Oh, that was weird. Did you see that? Something happened in that bottle then. Hello. Comment below if you try it and you like it, yeah, because I think this is, because there are always workarounds to essential oils and herbs, especially when they're so overpriced. It is, well, we know why, because sandalwood is I think as far as I know it's endangered, so it's probably a good thing that we stop using it anyway. So yeah, have a go, see what you think, and comment below if you feel like it. Thank you for watching. Blessings.